Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online Grant for enabling us with the funding to run these programs from the Salem Public Library. Today, I am going to be sharing with you how to check your audio and video before joining a live Zoom meeting. This will give you a place to practice and feel a little bit comfortable about being in a Zoom meeting or joining one of our classes that we offer through the library through Zoom. So I'm going to show you where you can go to practice without actually being in the live meeting so you're comfortable. So if you have not ever been to Zoom or used it before, you will need to go to Zoom. If you just type in your browser Zoom, it will bring up this link here that looks like this. And I'll just go ahead and click it to show you what it looks like. And when you get to Zoom, this is the main setup of Zoom. If you have not been part of Zoom yet, it will ask you to sign up for an account. But if you don't want to do that, and if you just want to join from different things, you can just download the client as you go. And basically what it says is if it will prompt you and ask you if you want to download the Zoom meeting program, which you would have to do if you're going to use Zoom in any way. So let me go back to this. Once you have Zoom on your device, there is a test site, and this is the site that I want to share with you today. And it is called zoom.us test, and right here is the hyperlink for it. But if you even typed in your browser Zoom test, it will prompt you to get to this site also. But I put the link right here for you in case you would need it. Put zoom.us/test. So let me go ahead and click it, and it will bring you to a screen that looks like this. And basically what you have to do here is it will say join meeting test, and it'll test your internet connection by joining a test meeting. And you have that nice little blue box right there. You just click the join. And once you click the join, it will open this box. And in this box, it's asking you, do you want to open this application and go into a Zoom meeting? Now, if you have not downloaded the Zoom client to your computer, this is where you could do it also through this test, is download and run Zoom. But I've already done that, so that's why I get this box instead. So all I have to do is click Open Zoom Meetings. And once I do that, it will prompt me. So here it has the camera. It's always showing me what it looks like when I go to join, if I'm joining with the video. I'm going to join without video so that I can show you some of the other things. But when you do join a meeting and you want to join with the video, you would click Join Video. If you want to join without, you can click Join Without. So now it's connecting me. And you can see it gave me automatically some ringtones, and it's asking me if I hear them, and it's checking my speakers. So if you did this and you did not hear it, then you would know your speaker is not working. But I did hear it, so I'm going to click the yes. The yes. And so what it will do is records my voice. And then it'll ask me if I hear it, and I do, and it is repeating everything I say. So I'm going to click yes. And then it'll ask me if I. Okay, so then it's saying, okay, I can hear you. You can hear me. So everything looks good. So you can join with your computer audio. Now, if you can't join here, it will prompt you what you need to do to set it up for your microphone and for your speaker. But since mine is good, I'm going to click Join with Computer Audio. And then I'm joining the meeting. Now my audio is working and all is good. And you can see here, it gives you a practice, so you can practice different things with it. So if I look down here at the bottom, I have the mute I have the start video participants. I'm the only participant, but I have chat, my share screen, my record, and all of those things. And it's really nice because then you can practice yourself in this meeting without anybody else being in here and being able to get familiar with all the different things. So if I wanted to choose a virtual background, I can mess around with that. If I want to try different cameras, I can do that. I can turn my video on and then I can turn my video off. It's a good practice for you. And then here's the chat. You can mess around with the chat box, but you can at least practice with these things to get yourself familiar with them. That even has the little reactions. You can do clap. You can see it up here in the top of my screen when I added it up here. And then you could practice your other, like a thumbs up, and then it'll show up here. But it at least gives you a little bit of area to practice with Zoom before you're actually in a meeting. So it only lasts for a short period of time. And if you want to end it before you're there, you just click that leave. So it's a great place for you to jump in and practice. And again, this is the link for it. It's zoom.us/test. And you can test your audio and your video and just a little bit of other information with that. I hope this helped you learn a little bit more about Zoom and helped you feel a little bit more comfortable using it by being able to test your device before you use it. So check that out, and I will be back next week, next Tuesday, with a little bit more information on Zoom. Have a great day.